strong to severe thunderstorms are likely to develop late this afternoon, near and to the northeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area. The primary hazards will be very large hail and damaging to possibly destructive winds. There will also be a risk for tornadoes, mainly for thunderstorms near any residual boundaries. Tornado watch number 401, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Tarrant. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.